So the first thing you want to do is go to Weebly.com and create an account. From then on, you're going to click on this login and use your login that you've created. So you're going to put in your name, and you're going to type in your email address, and then you're going to create a password and click Get Started. Once you get started, it's going to say, do you want a site or a blog? And let's take a look at the difference in those two things. Okay, a web page is like this, and when you add new content, it will replace the old content. A blog, on the other hand, looks like this, and the blogs will be dated and they will show most current to least current as you scroll through your blog posts. And your blog posts don't go away, so you can go back into the archives and see all your posts. So for a hike or a vacation thing, you might want to have various posts on different days, and so you might want to do a blog. You'll notice that my web page, you can make one of the pages a blog and the other pages not blogs. So you'll have to decide what you want. I'm just going to click on a regular site. Now I have to choose what style I want, and all of this can be changed except for where your menu bars are and things like that. Some of these also have different color choices, so you'll notice when I click on the different color choice, it shows me what will change in color. In this case, it's just this right along here. So once I pick my style and the color that I want, then I click Choose. Now this can all be changed later on as well. And then my site will pop up. It will ask me for my web page name, so I might want to I have to pick one that hasn't been taken yet, because not two people can have the same URL. So pick your name, try your regular name, and if the name doesn't work, you can think of something else like Katie's Hikes or Katie's School Page or whatever it is, and then you click Continue. Now these that get rid of the Weebly.com cost money, so always just choose this one unless you want to pay. So I click Continue, and now I'm going to close out of that. So now for your hike blog, it's simple what you have to do. All you have to do is drag over a title, then you can drag over some text, and then drag over a slideshow. So we're going to do the text first. And then type in your words. Now you could copy and paste from Word or something like that as well. And then you're going to do your slideshow. And a slideshow, you just grab it and it will go underneath. You pick the style that you want, if you want thumbnails on the bottom or whatever. And then you're going to upload your pictures. Upload, and then you're going to go find where your pictures are. And you can hold the Control key down to pick just a few pictures or whatever you want and click Open. And now they're going to upload. In the slideshow, you can add captions to your pictures. You can reorder them by clicking and dragging. So right here's the caption button, so you could click here and enter a caption and click Save. Now you do have to wait for all the pictures to upload before you can do a caption. You'll see that the caption disappeared as soon as this next one uploaded. Now these can be rearranged into different order once they upload. And when you are finished adding your captions and the pictures, you can click Save. So now I have a gigantic slideshow. Now if I want to move the slideshow, I can grab hold of the move bar, which is right here, and if I want to move it side by side of my text, I move it until I see that blue bar over on the side, and now I let go and I have my slideshow side by side with my text, which I kind of like, and I can grab hold of this center bar to make one side bigger than the other. So here's my slideshow. If I want to edit my slideshow, I can click on it, add edit photos, and I can add more photos to it and click Save. I can change My navigation, I can change my speed to faster if I want, or slower. I kind of like 4 seconds. And I can say I want this to automatically start when the person comes to my web page. Then they don't have to click on the play button. It will automatically run my slideshow. When I'm finished, I do need to publish it. I click publish, and it says, are you sure this is the domain? You say continue, and you might need to categorize it. I'm going to click skip for right now. It may ask you to prove that you're human and publish my site. It might have you send a text message or something too. So here's my website URL, and this is the URL that I am going to copy, and I can highlight and right click and copy, or Control C, and then I'm going to open up Moodle. I'm going to go to courses.gfps, and I'm going to log into Moodle, and I'm going to go to the wiki page, which should be under my courses over here, or I can just type in wiki to find it a fast way. Here it is, blogs and wikis, and it says to post your URL for the post your hiking link here. So you're going to click there, and you're going to type your name, and here are the instructions bit by bit. So Katie's page, then you're going to, let's see if it's going to do this or whatever, then you're going to highlight your name, and you can go to insert link, or you can right click. If you're a right clicker, you can right click and go to link, or you can do a Control K, and then you're going to paste that link in there and click apply. And now when people click on this, they can go here and it will pull up your website. There are lots of fancy things that you can do with Weebly, and right in here you will see that there's a helper, web page helpers and tutorials. If you click on that, here is a site that will tell you how to design your site, how to create graphics, how to do links, how to do slideshows and videos. So if you have any questions, pop on out here. Again, that is in our Moodle course, web page helpers and tutorials on how to do this. But what you'll need for sure is to post your blog or Weebly website right here for your hiking link. Hope that helped you work with Weebly.